Hi everyone. Now we have received an official confirmation from the NTA regarding the postponement of the NEET and JEE. Everybody was expecting that this is exam is going to be postponed as everybody is supporting. We have seen Orissa Chief Minister, West Bengal Chief Minister, and many politicians, including opposition Congress, is against the conducting of examination on the date. But surprised to see in the late night of the 25th, they have released an official confirmation. See, this is the place where NTA notice board. This is the NTAAC.in notice board archives. So this is the latest one. Here we can find the latest one. See, I have downloaded it, and see, this is the 25th press release. It says that conduct of JEE main April September. So in the view of academic interest, that means they are worried about the academic interest only, not worried about the health and lives of the lakhs of students. They have written, in view of the academic interest of students, these exams are now scheduled to be held as follows. So JEE main will be from 1st September to 6th September, and NEET will be 13th September. Okay, and for this, what they have given as a reason? First, they have quoted as a reason as a Supreme Court order. Supreme Court told that not to postpone and conduct the exam on the same date. So that is the first reason they are showing for conducting on the above date. Second reason is very awkward reason. They said 99% of the candidates already downloaded the admit cards and got the first choice of center of cities in both of these examinations. So then they have extended the examination centers also. So they have extended from the normally they used to have 570 centers. Now it is extended to 660 centers for JEE main, and from 2546 centers to 3843 centers. So we have extended the number of centers. We have given 99% of candidates suitable choice of center, and Supreme Court have given us order to conduct the examination. So these are the three reasons they are quoting for the examination to be conducted without postponement. Okay, so around 8.58 lakhs of main students, 15.97 lakhs of NEET students are appearing this time examination. So, and they say that they have taken all care, all safety precaution to maintain the social distancing. Okay, so I am much worried about the examination in this puzzle. How many of you will be able to do the exam with proper concentration, and you will be able to get the seat or not? But I have made all arrangements from our Witchcam channel. Here I am going to show you where you have to visit and what you have to approach through the in the short span of time, how you have to approach. So let's see. See, when you go to my channel, there will be a playlist, and you have so many of the playlist. See, this is the playlist where you will find the NTA Abhyas mock test. So this is the best time to visit this mock test. All tests are conducted, all tests are explained with the proper explanation. NTA Abhyas, each mock test right from the 55, 56, 57, they are chronologically arranged. Whenever there is an interview uh, about the preparation, he suggested to go through the NTA Abhyas. So in this short span of time, I expect everybody to go through this playlist. Daily one test everybody can attend, so that they can be in the short span of time they can score well. I think our Vidcam channel is with you for every possibility to extend help, and I hope you all will be doing well. And if any chance of, I don't find any chance of postpone again, but if I find any chance of postpone, I will inform you, and I will be helping to score you better in this situation. I hope if you are new to this channel, you will subscribe and share it to your friends also. Whatever the help they can get, I will make to them. Bye bye. See you.